With its structure complete, the aircraft is finally ready for a breathtaking luxury transformation. Pilots verify steering, braking, and ground handling before the aircraft leaves the runway. The moment finally arrives as the aircraft takes its very first flight. Test pilots carefully evaluate speed, stability, efficiency, and overall flight performance. The official delivery marks the beginning of a remarkable new journey. From raw materials to the open sky, this is how Billionaires' private jets become engineering masterpieces. This isn't just an airplane. It's a flying palace worth tens of millions of dollars. Every private jet begins inside one of the world's most advanced aerospace factories. Months of engineering transform an owner's vision into an aircraft ready for production. Only the strongest and lightest materials are selected for maximum performance and safety. Computer-guided machines cut every panel with incredible accuracy, measured to fractions of a millimeter. The jet's fuselage slowly takes shape as thousands of precision parts come together.
Robotic systems install thousands of rivets to create an incredibly strong airframe.
Despite advanced robots, skilled technicians inspect every critical connection by hand. The wings are carefully built to provide strength, efficiency, and exceptional fuel economy. Attaching the wings is one of the most precise and critical moments of production. The aircraft's tail provides stability during every phase of flight. Powerful turbofan engines give these luxury aircraft speed, efficiency, and remarkable range. The landing gear is built to safely support thousands of landings throughout its lifetime.
Thousands of electrical connections power everything from navigation to luxury cabin lighting.
Hydraulic systems control the aircraft's flight surfaces with incredible precision. Before leaving the factory, every flight control is tested hundreds of times. The cockpit combines cutting-edge technology with the highest aviation safety standards. Behind every luxurious cabin lies a carefully engineered structural framework. Special insulation keeps the cabin quiet, comfortable, and energy efficient at high altitude. With its structure complete, the aircraft is finally ready for a breathtaking luxury transformation. Now the empty cabin becomes a personalized masterpiece, built around its owner's lifestyle. Every floor panel is handcrafted for beauty, durability, and reduced aircraft weight. Each leather seat is carefully stitched by skilled artisans for unmatched comfort. The VIP seating is installed with perfect alignment for comfort and safety. Rare hardwood veneers add warmth and timeless elegance throughout the cabin. Custom cabinetry transforms the cabin into a flying executive office. Some private jets even include a full bedroom for long international journeys. Luxury bathrooms offer hotel-level comfort while flying above the clouds.
A fully equipped galley allows gourmet meals to be prepared during flight. State-of-the-art entertainment keeps passengers connected anywhere in the world. Passengers control nearly every cabin feature with a simple touchscreen. Custom lighting creates the perfect atmosphere for work, dining, or relaxation.
Large panoramic windows fill the cabin with natural light and breathtaking views. The aircraft surface is polished until every panel is perfectly smooth. Specialized paint booths apply flawless finishes that protect the aircraft for years. Many owners choose unique paint designs that reflect their personal identity.
The final polish gives the aircraft its unmistakable luxury appearance.
Every navigation system is carefully calibrated for maximum precision and safety. Thousands of onboard systems are tested before the aircraft ever leaves the factory. With construction complete, the private jet is finally ready for its first flight tests. Before flying, the powerful engines undergo rigorous ground testing at full performance. Pilots verify steering, braking, and ground handling before the aircraft leaves the runway. Every moving surface responds perfectly to ensure safe and precise control. The moment finally arrives as the aircraft takes its very first flight. Test pilots carefully evaluate speed, stability, efficiency, and overall flight performance. The cabin is tested to ensure an exceptionally quiet and comfortable flying experience. Critical emergency systems are thoroughly tested before certification is approved. Inside, every detail reflects craftsmanship, worthy of the world's wealthiest travelers. Fine dining in the sky turns every journey into a first-class experience.
The official delivery marks the beginning of a remarkable new journey.
From raw materials to the open sky, this is how Billionaires' private jets become engineering masterpieces. This isn't just an airplane. It's a flying palace worth tens of millions of dollars. Every inch of the aircraft is inspected to meet exact aerospace quality standards. Pilots verify steering, braking, and ground handling before the aircraft leaves the runway. The moment finally arrives as the aircraft takes its very first flight.